abanchwa ba meno ose abanchwa bao mbuya bare ase mambia bono abana bao anyekore no murugi kore no mugako gari ase enyomba nabo igo na muntu nde bwensi abaibore akobwa mono by the way eng'ananero gochokonyora ng'a marange abaibore tibari koinyorwa mono ekera abantu bachire gose buna ekero konyora abantu bamenyete town konyora abaibore mbari koinyorwa mono bagocha bari gose ndime wiki ose kabere ge wiki lakini ekero kwabukire ngemambi egento gitagani nabura sasa omuroberi otebenga nche na abana bane mbuya tore lakini kwa magwe bana gari ase kinyero no tito omong'ina getarro omogaka getarro omokoro oyo tari gochi ogochokwa gose kwa wakirwe esime ekera aigure bobe igo nere buya ekero kwabukire gwatema komanyera abanto naki bagenderete ng'a nonye tokomwakerera esime gose tokomoboriere nabo konyora ng'a abanto barang'ene sare kwaba yani watema komanya naki amatuko tagwete nonya abere gotaramanyira omoibori ogo naki agenderete korende karibu sana erinde tunyare gusanga ase omurobere yiga gutania getembe nchenkoro kwa Matilda Ovaigo na cross studio ya kabirene Havila Akariri bakubaterana na Jasper korende kirongo chaka nensemo ikionga nigo obono omoseneta bwe county ya Nyamira moske Okongo omugeni anyarire kuboria serikali ye county na boigo abarai okubwaterana eri gwikirania amagendero ase county yo kubwa mono koene kiabuna chira chire banyarete koria babere bagochikirania ayaga nigo ayakwanete korwa chinsemo chumuyega oyomo ime ya north amogirango ekero bono baringe kumoenia omo to oyomo gosoma menyo oyomo yosirete bugima bwae ase omubasokano mubebwe para chinsemo chia Kijauri na boigo nigo anyare kubore buna epare yo ya Kijauri abarai banyare gosanania na kubwaterana heri ne nyare kurosiwa kokiania mipasokano yaberege koba ase chinsemo chumurikito Paul Kapokara na gotoigorera
Gago kwa na chinsemo chigache kenyero kia matorora kigegotoka ime ya chinsemo chigache bunge ya North Mogrango omoseneta bwe county yiga ya Nyamiru moske Okongo omogeni nigo agendere ko bwakoye mocha serikali asigere nigo yagendere ko bagekombe gesagukyo mugusia sensemo ya magenderero nanene ase chibare yendukirire mubasokano mobe kunyara ko bago koira omwancho yiga asireta Joseph Mokaya oyosiri bugema bwae kubwatakanamo no mubasokano bwe bara sensemo chiri cha Kijauri
omuminisa agatotebya mune serikali nichebeke climbing lane muna bamente epara ende alikijauri gotira na ende babeke bumps nonyo wakare kumaendele ni aye kasongo ngoyo kande smatia nonyo wakare kumaendele dia totara korusi 2027 mwana wandato ngire pale hiyo lakini gakora kitoro 2027 ayeendeka majanyaragi
kulingana mono Kongo ni gagendere ko bagakoja mocha emirobiri ya serikali na nene eyubuye manyakanite buna empowerment amo ne mirobiri ya serikali kulingana monere eyu atebire etari gukora mirimo yaje bwikiranu gochasaba Kenya.
Hiyo grupu ya kina mama wanawachua shilingi 2000 wako watu 30 wanagawanya shilingi 64. Jamani hiyo ni haki kweli? Hiyo ni haki kweli? Sisi tunaomba wananchi wetu hata saa hii vile nimekuja watu bado wanalia ile kadi ya SHA ukienda hospitali inafanya ama inafanya wananchi inafanya ama ifanye. Sasa kama anataka kutusaidia siangeunda hiyo kadi ikae kama ile iliyokuwa zamani inaitwa NHIF.
Nigo Okongo bwagendere ko bakoba mochika tyabarayi kurasoro ngo rwagusi abo bagendere ko bagotogie serikali yuera service asigari ngatira kora kende yonsigaza gukyo mugusi asatebere engakeye nigo mugusi atakere gukwana neryo gerimo asoko momoske Fred Matiangi okoboko
abande mbara abagara ko abaji watanga garoto wataba Matiangi wato debiya mangana ta irorega no mabara yabo mutawakari pesa kwa yato joine natoka kama ayo serikali wana yoro mwali gerdetie nonya sifuna omosene to nayo ekrabo le jugada de nonya Matiangi yaro sense omomroyo koro kubabu wino ekrabo le tuno mojumba Nairobi adonya Matiangi no to go chiumwa kagina to karagere ni nani to ko pinda kurwa ndo biro lagi mota hote ya barende aba bandi bakari bonto kana babere sigarame babanya kolini kuchindege bayira netaga to tera siyama moko batewengo minto Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i ulitoko rugana form Matiang'i ande ingo ikagaiga baretera pole naende otabanga noare na inu na saukio musi naende are mete 2027 o president toko bereta anajia
asinsemo yende omusike Okongo nigagendere koba gakoboria omugavana we county ya Nyamira omusike Amos Kimunyaribo kwene kibunango kurare mirimo yae bwikira no guchasa bamenye kurase county ya Nyamira elio kwenyorera amagenderero
elakie nama to mugavana sio sajiko ku 700 million toega 6 billion motu yeyo ngamya kwa matenga kila sanji nenda ketenja ngero ko county chinde chiko beke chipare ramu county itemese so ese icho namo mende tene milioni 300 atowekere rani abantu amotorora muna torega rero mbabolie mwanje totebira abana kiba se shiringi 300 taji kuna atowekere ramu kuruseti matorore nderufutu mwaitobire
eginko reporter igataseni kya wanjete kya gatembe kurasi nsemechi gache kanyero kya matorora ekwigo tokemenye bunga ya North Mogrango meye county Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
mwancho murigerea gutigara eme ye county yo ya Nyamira niko bono oyore omo secretary we county eyo omanyikanite na Dr. Jack Magara anyare gukwanira chipara ichu chagenderere kosi chabere chikorosiwa ase emetinyi ya etirime ye county ya Nyamira kolengana na matara niko bono chipara anemono chirichire ime ye wadi ya Nyamaiya eri yabo mwagamo na bwigo kyabonyoru chanyare korosiwa chionsi asinchira engi kirano kegemane kiragotaba niko nande chipara chire ase ensemo ya mekenene kusase wadi yabo mekenene boke ira nabwo nyansiongo chigenderete korosiwa muri kito fatigadi gisemba no rubuti urasinjira ekobwatia
Emetieni etano nomo ya erire ekero omugavana bwe county ya Nyamira omusike Amos Nyaribo asioreti chimashine ejo chokorema epara ase chiward Johnsi emerongo ebere chi county ya Nyamira igorero omu county secretary bwe county yo asireta Dr. Jack Espon Magara aenekebuna chipara che ward ya Nyamaiya kyabonyoru na bumwagamo nigo kyaroisiwe nabono chimashine echo echigendrete koroisia chipara chiabokeira mekenene na boigo nyansiongo Magara boigo oenekirie omoroberio oyoiga bwo koroisia chipara nigo ogendrete asenchira endonge na boigo okubwatirana korase aba MCA nigo kore okuya.
Currently we invested in machinery, road construction machinery. So far we have done 3 wards are completed. We have done Nyamaiya, we have done Mwagamo. We have also completed Kiabonyoru. We are currently working in 3 other wards. We are working in Bokeira. We are also in Mekenene, and partly we are moving into Nyansiongo ward.
Hase chipara cherami chikoroisiwa amone serikali ya Nyamira nigo akwanira omukia oyo obekire na serikali eyo ya Nyamira yokoroisia epara ekorwa ya center eyo egochagosoka nyangoso kilomita 5
investing in upgrading our roads to bitumen standard through a joint venture with KURA, that is Kenya Urban Roads Authority. We are tarmacking the road from Yaya Center and terminating in Egesi. That's about 8 kilometers of tarmac, and we have planned others within the current financial year to do additional tarmac roads, because we believe that if we improve our roads, then we are going to create economic transformation of our county.
Kukwana kurasa magacha manene ye county eyo nigo boigo akwanira emeroberio ye county eyiga yogokinya ebirengo bye municipality.
We established Keroka municipality. We were successful with our engagements with the World Bank that is currently funding jointly with us some of the programs in Keroka. social transformation projects like markets, which we are doing in Keroka town, together with the back streets that we are doing to Bitumen standards. All these aimed at creating a favorable economic environment for business people to do their business and create employment for our people, especially the youths.
Chingaki echecho nigo akwana ayaiga igoro yenjira county ya Iroberie igoro ya Chichiro.
We are also working with the national government to put up more additional markets. We have planned up for markets in Ikonge, in Kemera. There's a market that is almost getting done in Kijauri. We have a market that has just been handed over to us in Kahawa. That all together we are trying to make sure that the business people have favorable environment and safe environments for them to do their business. The other roads, the other markets being done using the county funds. We have Nyamusi market that we are soon opening. We've just completed Nyabite market that is also lined up for opening.
Hinko reporter Gatembe kurasa magacha manene ye county ya Nyamira agotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirango Njefatigad Kisemba.
Kosa ase serikali ya nene ni gobono mwaziri buburendi waime Muske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen anyare kubulia abasai bonsi bari imense ya Kenya bataranyara kwibwatire ebibande banyare kwene kyabuna babwatire ebibande ase amatuka yaiga boigo nigo anyare goteba chinka kibune chiga liberera litindi irigendete kwene kiwa kero mu Kenya anyare gotena bukongo asokwane kebuna uburendi wachakire nere ayaiga nigo ariko yakona kurase county ya Uasin Gishu ekero akenderete no murobelyo bokwenekia kurigereria amangana yoborendi ase chinsemecho
to encourage which I'll still say when I launch there. I want to encourage most Kenyans here, especially young people, to take their IDs. There are many young people here and many residents of Uasin Gishu who are of age above 18 and they don't have IDs. I want to encourage all of them to take their IDs. We are going to provide a better technology with live capture in all the sub-counties here in Uasin Gishu, and the IDs will be ready within 7 days, so there's no reason why many young people should not get their IDs so that they can be able to get government services and also participate in making very important decisions in the next elections.
Chinga kechecho nego umuwaziri Murkomen anyarire bono kugikiria gosekura gebyara ekiombe kya bawakili aiga asense ya Kenya ekiombe kya Law Society of Kenya gose LSK nekero agoteba nigo kyabeire kegotena nabo igokwegerera abasaria ribaga lyokwenekia omurembe nabo igokwenana amaegerio nabo igokorinda abakenya.
I saw the interview of the LSK president and I was surprised that she was arrogating herself the position of a judge. We have presented the evidence to court. How did she assess that it was not watertight? And how did she assess that he did not miss a threshold? That is a court process, you know. Once, and there is no court that admits a charge sheet that is defective, you know. There must be a prima facie evidence that shows clearly that there was burning of courts, there was burning of shops, there was cases of stealing of guns, and so defines clearly the acts of terrorism in the Prevention of Terrorism Act. It's very clear. It's even in black and white. As long as you're committing acts that are intended to create fear, destroy property, burn, they have white, they are instilling fear to the population and so forth. And the law is very clear on those issues. The thing is, I want to ask the LSK to concentrate on pushing for rule of law. And that rule of law includes taking suspects to court. Once they go to court, the president can either turn herself to become a defense counsel and therefore speak on behalf of the defense, but she can also speak on behalf of the people of Kenya who are suffering. I'm yet to hear LSK speak about the courts that were banned, the police stations that were banned, to speak about the vehicles that were banned, to speak about supermarkets that were looted and banned using petrol bombs. I want her to appreciate that she's not speaking for criminals only and suspects. She should speak for the people of Kenya. She should also speak for the peaceful protesters, whose peaceful protest has been disrupted by these same criminals we have arrested. I thought the LSK will be celebrating with the police that thank you very much because you are punishing these criminals that are infiltrating process so that in future we have peaceful protests. Instead, what do? They want to secure these criminals to be free so that when the next protest happens, they will be in the streets assisting other criminals to interfere with peaceful protest.
Koro ase ebunge nene nikobono omojumbe bwe ya Kiharu omuske Ndindi Inyoro bono anyari gukwanira gutarira chinyagitari chire ase ense ya Kenya nekiro arure kuburia huchase abakenya bonsi akubwa mono bari ase birogo by'Uburai koneke buna nkonyora bari obokoreri koro ase chinyagitari chense ya Kenya buna nchireyemo yogosira chinyagitari echo chire echa abakenya akagukwana chingaki omuswada bwokurigereria obuwene obegeto busio bwebunge nigobono anyarata bataba chinyagitari chinyinge nigo chikotigara magega ekiagera abakenya bonyene tibali gochisira ase gochitarira konyora obokoreri kurwaro.
Mr. Speaker, I see it as a paradox that healthcare is actually basically a fully devolved function, but when you look at the appropriation of the money that we give to our counties vis-a-vis the money that remains in the national government, Honorable Speaker, that leaves a lot to be desired. And I think we need to walk the talk in terms of devolving even the funds and the resources that are needed for our county governments and our governors to be able to provide quality and accessible healthcare in our country. Honorable Speaker, we also have to think about healthcare as dynamic. We have seen in many countries, Honorable Speaker, that R&D budget for healthcare is always adequate, because the challenges that we face in regards to healthcare, Honorable Speaker, is dissipated by new inventions within the industry. And what makes that possible is the budget for research and development, which, Honorable Speaker, can go in many ways. One can be directly provided by the government for even private healthcare facilities to be able to invest in R&D by giving them, Honorable Speaker, incentives even around taxes. Honorable Speaker, it is important that all of us as people who serve the public, that we must continually always show confidence in the facilities that we provide monies for, even in this house. And Honorable Speaker, it's always an oxymoron that most of the public officers have insurances that cover them outside the public facilities. And Honorable Speaker, we should be the people who should be championing for quality service in those public facilities. It is important, Honorable Speaker, that all public facilities, and especially those who are covered using government resources, that we show confidence in public health facilities by seeking services there, Honorable Speaker, when they are needed.
Mwancha murire omrai wense umoske William Ruto nigobono anyare kumomocha oyorenge munachevina umunene omukoro umoske David Maraga ase chinkwana chae chabangwiga ekirabeire gakorokana kagoteba nigo eserikali yasinyire okuremere mokosense ya Kenya nigo bono yaikeire ase abe omoske William Ruto nigo anyare koyakwana yaga kiragoteba buna umoske David Maraga nigabonete koba ekiorokererie kia uchase aba Kenya abande omoske Maraga nigabeire koseniga arokiri eganga yae gocha kubolekira gokeburayi wense ase amatuko arebosio.
We have a great nation. We have a great nation. It is our duty and responsibility to make it greater. I listen a lot to what people say about the present and the future of our country. I listened to one gentleman who retired the other day after working, I think, for 40, 50 years. And he wants to be president. And I listened to him say, Kenya is a failed state. And I asked myself, so for 40 years, you have been working in a failed state? So you want to be president of a failed state? Really? You want us to entrust you to the leadership of a country you don't believe in, to a people you don't believe in? And just for the record, companies like Lindsay, Liason, an exchange like Nairobi Stock Exchange, the best listed stock exchange last year in Africa, they don't exist in failed states.
Chinga kichecho nigo omoske William Ruto bono anyarire koerera kose anyarire kuba mochia obonsi bari bako amiriria eserikali nekiro atebire kiro bakunya goteba buna nigo abonete kogenda gose bakomotebia one time babonete koenana chinchira au aranyare gose komosemia chinchira aranyare gukora ense ya Kenya gose chinchira aranyare kora ense ya Kenya nabo igo mbintoki aranyare kubeka obosio erinde ense ya Kenya inyare kugendera nabo igo nekiratebire ekiro chinga kicho echo gosoka chireke na soke nainde asinjira ere ya maskani.
I listened to another group of friends and Kenyans, brothers and sisters, who say Ruto must go. And for sure, just like those who were there before me, my time will come and I will go. Just like those who were there before me did. But respectfully, sirs, madams, let me ask you. So, what are your reasons for this Ruto must go? I'm sure it's not because of the spelling of his name. Maybe because you don't agree with the ideas, the policies, and the plan he has for our nation, which is okay. But please, would you kindly favor us with your counter plan, with your alternative plan? Because the more I listen, the more it is sloganeering. It's not about a plan, not about an alternative plan. And, hey, we cannot replace a plan you don't like with nothing. And I hear my brothers and sisters say, let Ruto go, then we will figure out. And we will tell you what is the alternative plan later. We cannot tell you now. To me, that sounds like the wash conmanship.
mokia akigima bono Dana Ogaro agoteba kura chinse mochanya ura watching live Livingstone akala Kenya agoteba ako locked in. Bernard Movisa nera agoteba kura chinse mochakirwa tuko pamoja na boigo Nyamo ya Junior nikagoteba watching live kura chinse mocha Naivasha ya maana sana. Christopher Tandi era agoteba na watching live kura Burangi Kinyambi no muruguna botambe no murugyoye Lydia Kirbo na bana babo Sheila Matiangi Muranga Mikae na mamu Mwaumongina tatu mwabu Muranga na boigo amashabiki onsi akobatebi nga karibu ndani ya TBT show vyemono sana aseritsikiriga ria Alhamisi abange bamanyitengana eritiko ria TBT gose bakoreka TBT Thursday karibu sana na inde umancho murigereria nkagiritenga ninchi gotwara libori asore ase amatuka yaiga gose ekiro okoinyora amatukari kwa kabukire gochi skuru kero kende tukodima eti usenkonyoru kwa ringe skuru ane kirengereri kyao ngiriki ane muno kiro kwanyorenga ese skuru kwanyoranga engwikire kwanyoru mwalimu narororo ubwate mwalimu uri mutindi kigima neroro duty kwanyorenga wiki yuko sene mbure kare gotwike bambe mbure goiteka sana lakini noga neire kuboka kwa maya konyorwa skuru timeti use skuru eno nkwa kumwaringe biboko maroro agaikiro te barwarite maroro agaikire njira wake sabu ya ranchiri gosana no ira na nyumba na naroro na bagwike skuru lakini njira go penye baka atamikura so mwari mori tokomanya nereri mbale bake bisira kanyara na bumbore skuru cinga kicho kwa we boko abantu mbare barenga bajoji sana kanyara nga naro timitinga ya bande barengi kwebisa gusena mugo imbe gusene birasime tinkomanya lakini mwancho murire na bukonyara gusanga ekirengereri kyawo ngento kiwakorete skuru ana muno ase amatuko buna ari kwakanyara mwalimu naroro mutindi ebe ne kirasi mago so gusebe kwanyoro skuru ose kwanyora asa magoso ngento kiwakorete otebe ekiagera nje batewie yane lakini ase eritikeri gachinse cha Facebook na bukonyara gusanga ekirengereri kyawo na wego chinsembo cha YouTube. Enamba yesterday ni gere 0726 44 73 67. Elitari ao chinsemo ohomba titekuru na boigo na bokunyara komanya. Ase umwarimu oli mutindi ngento kigwakorete nonya nayo tebe kose nonya na abasani bawo bakwinyora kose bawo kwinyora ekiagera ekero kere skuru ngonyororenga abali mumbaroro babohire kabisa lakini ngento ngero gukora bakabantu bakorere batenga oyo ya kose abana bali mugosoma komo igona bokonyara gusanga ekirengerere kyao. Victor Mondo mienda eraniga otebokoro chinse mocha Kilimani tuko pamoja hadi itamati awateba na Rispa Waro Anton Ragori Dennis Sagini Mecha Ogechi omwigwa wabakinami na boigo na banda bange babo Silvio Omari Fred Oseko Msurengia Musoriboge Susu Sheila Kimto na bande abange igo mbia mono sana se bali mugenda takoba eme yo murobere kono no gukonyole ai ritukeri gari Alhamisi nyara usange kerengere kyao kintu kikiri wakorete guserinde kwanyoriro skuru no kana iri kwa punishment egatokanga toyetageti guseri tukeri nga maire pina boigwete nga mubire tokonyara gonyo watebi gosi bigosene birasi mubire tokonyara watebi gosene biboko gwako kwarore nga tokonyara ngendo kiwakorete kiarenge ekioko gosereri gosigendo kikwatageti risk no yana okonyorega gwatebanga namo chetere kinirende nebiro byari ikirete boigo kirongo genda so mutumo kama kene nchikorana anensemo yechi gazeti ekiraso kendete gusanga imiyo murobero iga kwetwane yagatembe kirongo kuboria tobozausika
Yesterday kijana hujasoma na kuozesha binti yangu kwa mahali ya kingamuzi cha Zuku Amazing Digital TV.
Ndiyo, nimekubali.
Mashallah.
Unaunguza kuku tena wa kienyeji?
Mume wangu, ni uhondo na utamu wa Zuku Swahili.
Hawa Zuku Digital Amazing TV. Yaani Zuku Swahili mambo ni buli buli. Ware!
Habari ya mjini ni Zuku. Furahia mautamu utamu. Unasubiri nini? Zaidi ya kujiunga na familia bora ya Zuku TV ndani ya channel namba 100 ya Zuku Swahili. Hapa utafurahia tamthilia, filamu mbalimbali na burudani nyingine kibao ndani ya Zuku TV.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero. Ili manyibu na mangana watika. Kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV. Nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya. Chi video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao. Ngakiende yonsi. Inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito. Voigo share na basani amune amate. Ejo baigokie. Vemanye na wesemia. Tobase kweva. Turn on a notification bell yani ekengere. Ejo onyari kubagoko ya nyora. Chingaki abikiri ase omtandao. Gatembe Television Network. Ekenakyo ekeunga. Kia mamogusie.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga anniversary na yenda mangamna wano photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting carpet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Gusie bono na bukwego kia asogo sonja ETV ya uwanje tia Gatembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Gatembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iduwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeunga kia mamogusie.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinia omugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinse mu buno savings loans obosemye bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boyko abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinse muna obosemigoro y'obutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa mpesa ase uri kuse mobile payments. Kabe oyomo wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarire chiabis chiabo chire asumu chubusungu Kahawa House raja moja asipara ya Kisii Sotik. Siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasacco.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko wakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sacco kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito 14 chire within Gusii wanaintu toro konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese biashara byabo ase Sacco na gosebwa ase sake ese mabibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini Sacco yeto na Gusii yeto esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja, you our concern.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagakolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uragania bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho wakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo gucanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumuchuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited Nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chichi brand ekyo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganiri erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyoerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyoere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Nyagitari ya Medford nigo egokurareria ritkolyo kolingo ligo kwa maiso nabo igo amaino gose free optical na dental consultation terke merongebe naisano nabo merongebe naisano na mochumu tinyo igo omokoyega mbarigererie ensemo ya maiso egenteo nga lens replacement, frame replacement, eye examination, colored vision, checking eye infections na allergy na baigo diagnosis gose eye allergies asensema ya maino mbakare routine checkup, dental root treatment, palpectomy, palpotomy, denture installation, dental extraction, full mouth sculling na normal filling. Twakira simia se namba 0101 001 127 gose 0762 105 575. Tutarere asenya gitarere asepara ya Kisi Referral Hospital Road.
Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chipafde mesangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega bunabono housewarming parties, engagement parties egatie vinde vige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asiri goridio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyibaita bobale nobo manyibigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wego gwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726
Yokomboli umwanone kiririjane
Asegeka k'imyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire gosibaliye nsemo ya pension boyko abonchereria ibwatanine wa Kenya pamoja sako iyonyore obukureri ubuya ase chinsemo buna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilong buna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe, business loans, salaried loans, na boigochi advance loans. Boigon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kose mobile payments. Kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya. Asamange batarire chiabis chiabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik. Seba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190. Kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chara Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wana hintu tora rogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese wale batara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na gusi yeito esa magenda wa Kenya Pamoja you our concern.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $2,999, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $450 per month.
Enya gitari ya Medford Hospital niko muno igukoraniria consultation ne cardiologist abasago tebanga enkore yao niko ere inse ijamaboko y'umumanyi umanyete ayamano Dr. Sudhakar Balha nabororo abasara rigeri chinse muna hypertension, chest pain, heart failure, TMT, Holter monitoring. Consultation fee nechi shiringi chiribobere nechi misano chikoka. Tokere simiasi namba 0101 001 127 wase 0762 105 575 wase ototarere asenya gitari yure Kisii Referral Hospital Road.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie. Gusie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etibi ya wanje tia Gatembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Gatembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimega je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwego kinemirulu yitu ao inyuranga nigo okonyora e channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Yesterday. Kijana, hujasoma? Na kuozesha binti yangu kwa mahali ya kingamuzi cha Zuku Amazing Digital TV.
Ndiyo, nimekubali.
Mashallah.
Unaunguza kuku tena wa kienyeji?
Mume wangu, ni uhondo na utamu wa Zuku Swahili.
Hawa Zuku Digital Amazing TV, yani Zuku Swahili, mambo ni buli buli. Warere.
Habari ya mjini ni Zuku. Furahia mautamu utamu. Unasubiri nini? Zaidi ya kujiunga na familia bora ya Zuku TV ndani ya channel namba 100 ya Zuku Swahili. Hapa utafurahia tamthilia, filamu mbalimbali na burudani nyingine kibao ndani ya Zuku TV.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero. Ili wimanye mangana watika. Kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV. Nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya. Chi video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao. Ngakiende yonsi. Inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito. Wego share na basani amune amate. Ejo baigokie. Wemanye na wesemia. Tobase kweva. Turn on a notification bell yani ekenge. Edio onyariko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kyamamogusie.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga anniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting carpet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba Kresimiosi number 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya uwanje tia Gatembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Gatembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia. Egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amonogo chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeunga kyamamogusie.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinse mu bono savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boyko abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinse mubuna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon bunam development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans, na boigochi advance loans. Boigon korantura muri chibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments. Kabe oyomo wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya. Asamange batarire chiabis chiabo chire asungu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik. Siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190. Kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasacco.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sacco kune financial institution yao tobwate chipranchi chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wanaintu tora nogo konyo mugusi isoko gendereria ese ebiashara byabo ase Sacco na gosegwa ase sake ese batara join please njubwango mo join tukini Sacco yeito na gusi yeito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo chotebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Karibu sana asense moye chigazeti chingake chabona mwambi mwancho murigerere akira obono turachigosanganere Eric Abuga chinsama cha Facebook YouTube tonyara buna kawaida buna Getembe TV erinde tonyara koska asinjira ere eyo bwamo okigeba Abuga wakire na kinsere
nsembere kandi takunywa mafuta chisweka 200 lita abambare the pipi chistima chichire sana so mafuta lende bando
lakini pipi yestima njine mbate complain ikiagera gero kene na bogo ikaransa kwa nyora ngise ko konyekere bia na bogo to nyansi kiagera libage bugate nelike
kasi pipi chite Kenya chingi chalenge chionda bono something like that chako gire sana kuga maambie kuga pala uvepi matuka chakara make ujiganza kuchinju engineer tari kuoka so chaba tibiro byalengo sinimiti mage chumene so ibyachire chichi stima chugata kwa kanyerere
umuntu yo mukorinde
sure aba Kenya banze kalengera lingi baje bakora so by the next few months maybe by end of December imenda ba Kenya baje balengera lingi bakamenda chuma chinde ro bebi nene que va a comer la boca baña.
Que graba Kenya pipi no como que musigo no.
Nada antes a ver. So, deixa eu boca basicamente.
Dari mangana kero na boca. Timanye tinga ekita seni kirikia banya nyimbo kerange na semenyete. Na wo musacho okura boli timanye tinga inki kera musacho okura sa police station.
Nda bakuwatu tukanyanga tindete. Kuko maambia nyone serio lo kuminganya na yeta sai. So I thought nyo wa kwambuya ntakiri era nyora nyuta marua manga kabota kero set ukama menyo aire froi gorenga ngake 6x6 kyanga yachi therende ngotokaga mara nyabantu monto ndo kale gasi sekete obviously restrict ono nakwanyi kweva kuboka mambi kwanya ru by 2 hours wasime kigo chaka ana kwa lenge duty honyo lengo kura nande mambi au ana taboka
alafu timetekera kwaringe high school usigo aringe na campus kintu kiwa koreto mwalimu uikaransa bakaboneka wate banga yasa kwabe
tingo chingana kolte kende kenene maybe no culture of card chi school tanje tuato vituari akamba
mware ko tuchafa kada chi school mete school voluntary ukoiba
no koiba no mai de cherenge chi e grupo que akaruka I think agriculture or something chenga saba chi ando agriculture na baka chi bachi toy akaraki la tona ono njina kali na kajina tu free ke school ya lenge angenanga kini campus ya don't get to kende kilmo yeah bueno I think I was mature enough in college and take care still I recover myself that as man go consult that as man dange gumbo we wa korop so at least the thing na korte kento kemo
I think I was school nchini mbate issue kero kenenda se ko na iga go mwalimu wanaro la kenta nichensa nge kero nasibukire enough asebone gato kurigire chigazeti chiri tuko rero tumetinga Abuga ugo chakane gazeti ya Daily Nation iri tuko rero
gazeti ya Nation ase peche ikomine wa story getengia sana that pakalto mondo kore research getata wenga wai kakio yo kendo went to was bedding stiao tambana mara ngetia bulede use story you adenga na go create infections kero kendo bole tamba biko tend ko uchafuka bwangu because biko observe bukendo bole yanza gutioka use story ngenga kire kemo musubati wa magata wanga mbaitana ne boyfriend yae because you chafu anti tore weekend akanyora nga tamba bire chafu mono ya tiangene ko chumwana tutumia na mambi ko ningirende kike na mambi ora kanyora ngi bitambe byange bichafu muno mpaka bwate bed bugs hona baitana igolende kingi ba advising ase bokend bole kisanda mende ku ground floor ni bachingendo maximum 3 days utumia bed sheets yao maximum 3 days kwa chafu mono lakini kwa bitumia lima mambi yae kiroko boka tuko yakabere kwa bisibi na bobo ngai Lakini story yenyewe kaiga ngonya metinya itirangi tatoiga. Minister of Health through Cabinet Secretary Duare background investigations into issue of kidney transplant. That there was a scandal and one gone kidney. One of the these investigations just stalled because of vested interest across those in power. During a target or the oh, the secrets, but secret center get the one of the Kwame story and the that could be investigated. Secretary General, Katibu Mkuu wa chama ya ODM na kuna mangana mang sana mwisonda se interview about in one of the media stations.
Yes.
Katawenga na nare willing to step aside.
Senator
Sifuna. And then nare willing to resign ku ODM ka ODM ya lose test as Kenyan politics. Hakumeting na why towards by elections but nobody showing interest ya se kuchukua hicho na kiama ki ODM. Kwa hiyo akatewanga haya broad-based government is not working. It's a dead deal. Korango ocheki kusana na abantu bale broad-based government lakini hata it doesn't care. It's just to move out and it doesn't care muntu mungana kwa kintu kike na rekwe chame. Story yenene kaiga ya yomusfati kete business ready Nairobi. Nyote kakwa kakongen to senyekitari moya tinyetari ya Nairobi gari. Akatwanga after postmortem wagundu lenga bete strangle ose akalinwe mbeo pakanyana kako kuna bakunga strangulation ketu bigoti mpaka kanyara ka gusuba maso family yakateba they suspecting the thing kokwa ekuruete sense moya ya marriage ya yose nyoma ya twalre metanda se miaka 19 years kuna kianda. So the family has back at the postmortem yesterday they have confirmed yes there was strangulation. So they are calling for investigations. Panyole muntu ikakogwa tuna ngokale take 10 days. Yesterday tulikuwa na story ya KU murageto abere Stephen Mnyoko abere Saudi Arabia for 19 years etc. because of their murder case. Again tukianga kila story ni ringa mama Muroyo was working in the media. Na bantu ba fight for this story mumuriye skena abaga korina gocha Kenya na badikiwa mwabo. Yes. But nane kangorige ribu ya balikia be group ye za senior editors in the media houses. Kuna lero ndo yesterday I saw Montomo ka Okwana ya ndo Monto Okwana the story ya ngaja kubonga teach oyo head of communication as office prime minister ndo akorega as City Standard the senior editors so waunganire ku make sure ngo mubero mukweno mu muro letru irani gocha Kenya kare moya se miaka kare miaka 51. Story ndirigane ya I think we discussed yesterday issue ya SHA work at private hospitals and wakatewanga private patients bako genda sinyitari echi go seek services ya cancer treatment services ya very stalled njigenda because government ra kana private facilities services ya baja SHA so wakateba they are threatening go seka sinyitari echi was go cross out services ya SHA na njigenda. But the president got a very abantu abakumurama na kumu criticize over the wash.
Almost killed.
The president got a wanga and about the agenda other than wash politics. When the what the wash business you go switch verse. One wash politics yenenyi. Timene kyanyere.
Sasa yuko sivyo.
Sasa yuko sivyo. Ni kyanyere ngerete. Manda hata vetenga yesterday responded. Pa kwande dia montango responded. Tango Montanaro of as a leadership country, either civil service or say private for the last 40 to 50 years. Yantogatanga Maraga minute. So Maraga Kenya is a failed country. So President Kaboringa, Montataka president of a failed country. Why should you support your Mondo? Have a president of a failed country and attack at Kuraniki.
Yes.
Yatanga will continue doing his work, and Montabato must go. Wash. I think it's a new political statement ya chotaki weekend ye. Timu ntikiwabo nasibali timu yabo soro na makimani ichungo bali timu yabo ya sana. Any question ya Lex Masai to last year amandamano. Again direct. Kero the main suspect abwale tu akaiwa chilata yenga ya talingi Nairobi na ntabwate bunduki.
Yes.
But when Mosikari wa moko investigations agwadi meeting yes he signed the gun kurase amari egan yatumekete koita Alex Masai Nero incident from Mamari, akawa askari wa Kanyari field. Another story guy they're developing, I think from yesterday and from last week, next story Deputy General of Police, the Ichira guard, Konariga estate ya defended in court. That yes, it's a process, you go step aside to allow investigations, you the Ichira guard ya kwatete, so that is silent from work. Still in our office, aiponya ko, badanga ipoya ko investigate. Kanyala askari wa bena mrabandrato, ko responsible for the murder ya Albert Ojwang. So Regat can go back to office, but can retake in court. Same page, I think page na negative banga, and the 7 people were applied for committing terrorism acts during protest.
Yes.
Mashtaka yao bado inaendelea. So kile kikendelea. These are the main stories kikendelea. But the story nende yabeta moisonde, I think on Monday, Tuesday, umro mabwa to Kenya. FBI from the US ngana to Mount America achako igu but interesting, there's an interesting way in Japan bako bwatike bara ko bairo America kuba tugasu kenyora e west yetu amagoro no kuchimaika yasi baka mupira getega ono gotara gukumusa and America ogosibwe chipengo kuchimaika kirole murder suspect
tari Kenya tari na Kenya
Kenya ibe ngombe gochimutugosibu oibo itomondo gochimutugosibu America bakoranga yono ne shetani gete bagosba gochimanga magoko alafu west baitie nyoro gochema goroime bas bagabira gete maika nukonya gogakura
muneri
nje ratani ibonika ugwate manda kisa kinya abanda trist osibare in a better way cemetery ya Langata ichoire bakatebanga bono Langata in Nairobi ichoire batenge sitol gets a new land for cemeteries. Banyoda another 100 acres in Kamiti prison and 50 acres in Embakasi Galson. Bagochikoa Nairobi City. Era osia another cemetery. Into my Martin Dengeling cemetery ya Langata. Never repeated the problem obobe kwa kali bintu bindi.
Tiko nyarekana. Ekiagera chinyinge kero kurigire ya timete ya sekeusi oboina niko konyora chinyinge chi cemetery. Tinkagire tinga no kenda gukora bi no ntigo gukora bonjore bonde bwose nande mekera ari ne mengi.
So nga cemetery ya Kisii gerera.
Ya Kisii.
Kero kinanga ya link.
Ya kabere nyambera.
Wanga kikero.
Oniga ne pake korosi waroro.
Haya. Cemetery ya Kisii sere bono iga chikoro chiagachiro.
Chikoro.
Bakatanga kanza yamuni agachiro. Kanza ni nasani agachiro haya.
Tinya kitano chirange timenye tinga ko likero kende.
Mwikabo no chobwatia bantu matekero kero kali biashara mwikana boko za ombi yake. Akine cemetery ya Kisii gero no yende. Bagwate kora ntiga chimo changana jiko park igoro. Bakemura mara ba igoro. Ntiga chimo changa jiko park ntiga chikoenda irutia mara.
Bono bune ya Langata ekero kurigereria segencho kero gwetange gari gokonyora ngani go cemetery chibeki bake mesara bagocha igoro. Timetinga omonto onanda take gokora biashara vinde gari. Eba kutagora bake mesara beri ebekiraro.
Mata kwero asa tinga serikali ya Kenya kwero mabiro go mochari. Kocha wale baika to a point bako e warning. Ba tinga bono ba risk ne bereri. Ba kanone ya advertising asset. But these are unclaimed bodies.
No bono city mochari ebwate mengi sana.
Yeah, so I think the government will dispose these bodies. So at that point you become useless. That one no boiri bua umboyo na serikali tukomanyeti. When I go dispose. Same case neke. I think there is a law. I think once I'll confirm that act in Jenja Kingateva. Keramo Bero Tineku. There's a time you cease going that grave site. You have to get a cement. Geneva to claim that piece of land, something can be done. Now no moko frat in this place. We cannot. But I'll confirm what the law says about it. I think the looming closure of Langata Cemetery follows the recent recommendations by members of parliament and the senior health officials, including public health principal secretary Mary Mudhoni, warned that continued use of the site poses serious public health risks. So on the query. Of course, that's what they're saying. I'm much about no, very contaminated. I think the Langata Cemetery when the Mumbugari Kibira Mumbugari, a stream or the road I think it connects to the believer. So on the Nesana, a Tarangata. Maiga ko cross between Langata na Kibira kwende slums. Ro chendro ali on sana. So it means nga go ba gundure nga ro choru abere bobe because yeme bere you ko ba ko combos. Bantu mondaga te banga kero kwenda ro. Ke blo bwa ko ko beke grave. Ko uskel kiale ngoro asinin ko mamba kenu so watini ko yo mino. That's where we are as a country. Asa kwa nika by like in kisi kama mondaga kwa kera cemetery ya bodies. Detect the bodies too. I think Kericho cemetery. Kia kisi ichorite kale sana.
Yeah, kisi ichorite kale.
Kale, I think it's around now 10 years, more than 10 years actually. Kuruja ichorite ka sieku. During the regime area ya county government, hama bana molutu gali amange sana. So if you want to come on and check on your what in the toro, you need to dig. Makam yale kere fikira tu yao more than 100, maybe 100 feet. Makam yale so mo yoga tinde So kiaza kwa the commission. Tumeza the commission ya Kisi, but yeah Nairobi ya made commission. They have secured close to 150 acres. Just two different places, 50 and 100 acres, which go correct and ande kurende now. These are the key stories Chira saying as a nation. These are the ones Chira and Goro Chira said Korea saying nation.
Na ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo nerote bwati manganare tofauti mono ne bwati picha ya museneta bwa county ya Nairobi Musike Edwin Sifuna boiko omo raiwe kema kyo dio Musike Raila Odinga na kireko teba buna tumaini tumwamini nani na wekopore ego nduma kuwili ekopore nga kirokende omo seneta Sifuna nigarorekanire otenine chinchira ibere ego kiagendera kwera buna Seneta Sifuna aliye pia katibu mkuu wa ODM amekuwa akimshutumu vikali Rais Ruto akitoa wito wa kubanduliwa kwake upesi, huku mkuu wa chama hicho Raila Odinga akiutetea uongozi wa Kenya Kwanza. Yega noko musanoku kwa genderete anamonekero omo Seneta Wega omo Sifuna atanyariti gwitabirana no kubwatirana egati ya Kenya Kwanza na boigo ekiama kia ODM. Omugano uyu nigorase page ya kabiri na boigo page ya gatatu korende nigondo chobone kuburinga kati ya Sifuna na Raila ni nani msemo kweli ni ngukwana o maene na boigo viongozi wa ODM wataka Sifuna sasa atimuliwe. Abara ibarime ya ODM nigo bagandire bono museneta uyo obo Nairobi anyale wa kwa isko kiagara nigarokanire atari umwegeno na ndeke magochase kiama ekyo kia ODM na aboigo ndoche yego kukwanira chinsemo chia coast Kenya anamuno ekero kurigereria amangana yebinto bitonjokanire gota majanga ya kimazingira yatishia eneo la pwani abuga egati ya murire na aranyare ko lipuka sana ase coast Kenya timete usina singencho ya mache goseningi nga asinge ama rira yega mangini gakoretwa no chabu usokonywa macha machao wataalamu wa uhifadhi wa mazingira waelezea haja ya hatua za dharura kukabili changamoto na kuepuka athari.
Actually, the issue ya mache iko cut across all parts of the country. No yusi by the match tai. Chindo chitoka chito ucha mache kururo chinsoko. Nothing at the streams and the springs tiregusi close to 90% are contaminated. There's a place ya mache alinge kusi ya mange za Kisitoni ya mange. Rochendrole nyanjwa ako ngage tacho. Kage mbule agatura mache ali akogire sana. Najoka ndabone gimbule kutubone ge usimbule kutu nyingi but atoivu tachange 6 kama kewata mache. So that tells you that there's a lot of contamination. Because at least esosia mache imkaya lenkoro. But you're also born to get that spring less than 5 meters away. That tells you in the next maybe 2 or 3 years, those springs could be dead. The spring is somewhere in past Kisi School. Alia corner of Baganga Cock, Paganga Fanta. So you are lingo your son, check at the Noro. Chamucha Majaba and Panda Kunjak again. Given a match, the Timothy Chinese Agacharo. Kabangarosi, Kati, Amachakati, Agachaka Cement, so killed. In one of the other thing, he tampered with the social machari, Poniga Ket.
Chinsoko chinyinge, I came to realize, Ekero Obago Kora bagocha gochi rosia ria kabere gose bagocha koirorera ko rosia se atikire ama chagochi ake atimetinga okorosi wa koiga gwa kabere na kuko gosaria gose nesingencho yo kero monta agocha no bumanye obungaini bwae.
It's na konkonyoro moyo mwenye bandama ite sosi ya maji like napoko mainge sosi ya maji yes ali dracha mbiri linge nyoraga nsoko katika soki ya maji nacha vera kom because yenye mitenya saa tongete we are going against the natural activities nyasara oseti sosi ya maji nyasa obege toro tuachire tuanze gochitagora muntu agacha from sosi ya maji spring ya maji muntu andobeka obeka ekoroboru obeke foundation yanda more than 3 meters deep. Soka limit. I want mata macha soka like 100 meters away from the source. I work nga senjuro lega iga no soke. But took manga soka ya machi like 100 meters away. Omo ntando ga chekoro boru ma claim nga injinga ga 100 meters away from the source. But in the source na tandika. So since okay chance chakuru.
By the way, kesi iso gotara chinse mochi nyingi chinse kononye bitacho bya kolero renovation ebingi mbibwatia mache boniga mache niga kete ntokomanya nga kitota kogorore ngane kyagerera abantu kubucha mache kurunse na kwa sana.
You see karo the former regime ya rengoro I think using the former regime bagatenga we are doing water recirculation nga mache ya roro you enhance it but you see now ko enhance mache as more to the experts onega montonda we tender yokorosio ensoko erege ndade korora no kata matoboli nesimidro muchanga aome so that whoever moeto tender acharange roja ndo aroseti but imbago mango juro korosu wetera telas mobe kesimit aboko beke fence by the roja ndo le kyunganyo sete kyunganyo gurugali babegete monta to tender akira karanga go tamba ne sosi ye rochoro osaka karora so akana kariya sengenge aka fence like 50 by 50 feet still macha inaroro just mete nyanjo I'm using water bakunga macha gravity akonyanjo kerole atumbuka macha very for a long time tuko kwanza ndimbule go tundimura kerole because macha constant tuwate mechine ngisanga tumina maji including at tempe primary they using that water from nyanjo kara macha gravity ale tunuguru by the mbanya go cement kinde gyons emetere simekire buya what to call indigenous trees simekire buya sengeke kabeko so it's clean water ana macha mana bakunyi from the source akiona chindo chechinda antu bakache babekira matobolo babekira nini chiyakule eza kwa ndadira jamoja asanga bakuspe chigali chiti spring chile catch party yangu agacho bakora drainage system bakabeka magana both sides of the road nini amacha libona ake match tayo. So I think in the next few days, in the next few years, I'm going to change the chakula.
Igo kero umuntu gutampana the natural source ya mache asa macha ya gosokera. No muchando kuru.
No muchando kuru. Sina kwaga chirecho. Kwaje kwaga chire compound ya ndamento sina bantu 20. As mwaga chirecho and the deep. Now instead of this water flowing downwards, amaja flow deep in that it will require you go past ya source ya mache. Tumenga kwa nyukase kesongo. Lakini ebitacho biri mate ebitacho bya matali bitoko beke kurende pipe ebitacho mbiri the source ya maji area the springs ya maji asoka ko so yakwenda kwa gachecho yenda past the level yuko spring go bwa maji now what happens ko gachire cho lietani so maji area go drip you are cross down towards the natural spring as ya link akira that
so ya sechinze mo chinde kwa nyarange cho eri enige umera netene chinsoka maji aba contaminated
ama kama tanga bona sana gachecho
actually abuga asinga ni gaya nsoko ne cho eshidenere okwagachike bara eshidenere nkakiagera akiro konyora amache abantu bagotumeka nigakurunga bona uko ligiriria se okubekike bara na beko bako
it is a crisis
yabeire issue ene sana lakini rende ntoche
tulige
solution yes
prison Kenya vingi antu baleze sana and then babu ati the sewage system tereka Kenya vingi mbuga I think they have a number of friends balega ngumbu the sewage system tereka you know alibona matereigoro antu balenge side ya ngumbu pakero kande para ya Kisi the old Kisi Migoro the old Kisi Kisumu road creo que te pare antu balenge muina banke na bara kondo the sewage system ya antu rogoro gaiga sewage system ya interconnected so amaja ga etu ya ba Chinese last some few years ago amazina yetu kana mbake saka na mara Kenya vingi. So mbabu kila muntu anze kulimecho. Sio cha image nyingi sana. But you see now abantu bali milibisima. So what happens? Crazy good system hata hiyo. Pako muntu olime kwenda kwenye kwa gajecho tuko na septic tank kwa gajecho kwanya connect to the washrooms in the house. So kila macha ya gocho nyenye ya gocho ibisima imagocho. Because to stop montal magisi makia. Unless another way is ever declared by the government in Asaiga, we no longer doing freeze the drilling of balls. Say this most nature. There's a place, another place called somewhere in Yatieko, not Yatieko. A border ya Kisi na wagrama tega most of the moino guide. There's a tentrasal Yakoroko. Titra Komon, Dabate, Petra Tunia Combondi. And they are done poorly. Is a public, I think Estonian Akotoguru. Kuna kama ndako gacho. Wono nyamna ba mu tibatano kimo ndabata gacho kai.
Na ndike wichura na ndibachenjia sana.
Now if there was a proper public participation, and the public maganda but the family ha to address wala ini gai. So once kwa gacho cho ya nyumba nya connect direct as a siwa line ya again. You will save the people basali ndiko beko bocho bwa magoma chikombondi. Ma tsuja ba donjiro. Sikuse ba tindura magoma uchibo kuni. Naibona boichiraro.
Nchiraro. Na tukuriria igazeti ya The Standard nero nigegoteba Rogue Nganyas bundo che chimatatu chigali nchirega cha matatu cyanyarire ko igorerwa Kigima ase umuchio Nairobi kitari kubwatia amachiko apara anamono kubwatikana ne kiombe ekeria kia NTSA echo bona gotebanga egari nere yanyara kwigorerwa umweso ndeiga ya egotebanga and the president's son with George Ruto's just launched a mood matatu now flouting the rules with regulators and the traffic police turning a blind eye lest they get into the bad books of the first family.
Story by the yesterday I was reading. But you see now miaka ya rangi tatukochukua chiagitu. We're now approaching the last 3 years. The first 3 years. Umwalimu miaka tatu mtangani. Estonia yalenga mwizo on social media watevanga. The Chinese could be against the president. But they could be supporting the ideas you want. No, you cannot talk on Nick Natate. Okay, as long as I'm not Van Kiana, I'm above 18 years. Taringa has more in my father to that issue. Now, George Ruto approved the entrepreneur Kivyaki. You see, to a point that you are coming to saying that at the number plate, there's a law in the country, even through NTSA, you can have a private number plate here. Tell us more and you can register that name. You have seen on the roads. So the issue you maybe malioga chigalini, maliogo tindi chigalini, maybe drugs nini. It is bound for investigation. That is not the number you tamalio. To go fraud rules nini para nini. How long chigali chiga very par? They were going down when Friday. We never study. I think on Saturday.
Yes.
So and I was reading somewhere and chigali they make issues. Can go back to the factory so I could wish that let them create employment.
Lakini onyeka ukore biashara wate machiko.
Machiko mpakanya bwate. No, there's a law. I think fabrication of chigali. There's a name they're using called to fabricate what improve to other conditions other than the one approved from the factory. When you say factory kerewuya. One year to another,
why design
a different design to a different design. All the entities anywhere that look, but implement na rako. But it's what the Sharia young at to fabricate, criteria to para Kenya. No name. Green school buses. No name.
Avekota matatu impunity rages and vetted as police and TSA dread the owners. Page ya kane nere wate umugano yo senjira enyikira nukigima nero ngukwanirire.
Sometimes the media need to set an agenda. You just want to speak about the impunity in the media. You are speaking about the impunity in the matter industry. the impunity in the media is the worst. On that thing and in the media that Mbabwati forum you will discuss the impunity in the media, what the employees are undergoing in the media industries. No must stand depend what they're a staff bao umir. Pabe kedren one day what impunity in the industry is 10 times impunity in the standard media group. Because some entrepreneurs trying to create employment through a different channel. But it's going to get from the ones who are attacking about the create employment are the worst in terms of employing the youth in this country. I wish I could get another forum.
Omete nonye bukungo tebere nga Rusia gechoni ase utara Rusia omuntu gechoni eriso kara Rusia kurugute rire ase eriso riao.
Someone could be defending himself ngaya. You know, you declare redundancy in a company, then you lay off like 300 people. Where do you want them to go? Where do you want the 30 to sign a bigger again? Because you know, it can't be said when people are doing drugs because they are settle challenge to win Nairobi. How many are they? There are 3 or 5. Almost 3 or 5. Now one thing about the back on your soul because they get it. How many DJs do you have in those cars where they DJ and maybe it's up to come in the shift but maybe they are return. That meaning a government going to get Sorago. One point in and then the Negali, Mabing and Kevita, and I sue you and then what the Nasor Tokungali. What will happen?
Epedia kamera neroni geukonera omuro yoiga Steve Munyako oyorenge asenseri ya Saudi Arabia miaka 14 bono okoirana ase enka yabo watanga Mother's Joy, a son on death row in Saudi Arabia, set to return home bono koirana ale enka na ase page ya gatatu nerongo kwanera musubati we mayaka na Susan Njoki oyo obono onyalite goitwa kare ase nyagitari yamo nyagitari ya Chiromo. What a woman taken to hospital by force was strangled. Autopsy shows nga bono kubatakana postmortem yanyalite gokoro ni gobono arorekanete anyalite kumigwa ebigote na gukwa temetinga inki kiagereta akacha kubutererigwa kurusi wa senkaya na boigo kwirwa senyagitariga ya Chiromo na boigo nekero ekagere na kero kende ekero ndo chege kuro kya bwatu kirwo chase wizara area bochen ariko ne kibuna tinyagitari chiri chibwata abantu akrona kero kebongo omba bwatu muchando tinyare kurigererigwa bia temetinga Njoki oyoiga oyo uri kumumigana ngo nande nkya kumumigira nyagitari.
I think the is a target you revenge on whoever Montoko said it. A few months ago, not even a few months ago, 1 month ago, incident na better kisiga as a patient in Clary, the near Matbakatumeka, when I met this Pamabetes in Dania, the poisoners. Same case came the last week with the KNH as a mental health side, and the water mentioned the vehicle. But now this patient is getting to general ward. Last meaning that's meaning a patient yelling the next bed. That was most probably and they are grand hour like Kilmontri. About the Montomarete and Dagger Montojacomo Quanin. Yamontoling the next bed tarot like Kilmont. And again, a general ward that what is CCTV. When you go to most public facilities, no le camera vekire, netabekwe ward him, nevekire entrance yo morango. So if there was a suspect, kero monde kragoso na bokumanyango yo, aso the patient ticket, aso the patient ticket. So they are saying yes, Bani Muswati could be there, the suspect in this murder case, from the CCTV. Now, so I think you cannot cover up baby a murder very straightforward. Yes. When the sister to this deceased actually come around time, akatebunga more also unless there is a permission from a husband you must what you. That means no more begete order wrong must what touch kororu unless they are common not all treasure kororu.
And there's but never an order almost what you are by.
So if there's a case Kiamanda when talking investigation can raise neck. That needs to take like 2-3 days and the work by right.
page ya gatano na kabiri nero nigegota MPs want civil servants to use public hospitals. Timiti usomo jumbo ukero kenengo gendali nyagitari kuse dispensary kuse level 4 hospital iliyo manyite irange naye tubate.
Matilda,
yes,
Kenya has got the best in terms of infrastructure.
It's nyagitari.
Only that they have the same people managing these private hospitals, public hospitals, are the same individuals managing private hospitals. The law should be in a way that once you have become a government doctor in Kenya, that should be the law. So why do we pay taxes? And some of Kisii County, why do people pay taxes? Then you find patients very level 6 are buying drugs more from private pharmacies as compared from getting drugs from also kwanda bone kama atigari
also go ende dispensary to kwa sababu naona enya gitanere ngorra getembe dispensary go senya ancha tema
I think getembe nubia something asa bana bakwa mo pira giti
yes also go ende enya gitari muneri okugenda no nyore urwari kubuyo nyora mariogo lakini kero kugenda level 6.
So now that's the danger, like.
Yeah, dramatic. Kama konyora the same doctors bari me level 6 eba go teach pharmacy.
What makes Kenya outside the gate?
Yes.
There's a building coming up outside opposite the gate Kenya Guitar level 6. I was told yesterday near 90% of the building you have booked na Guitar. What does it tell you?
Kama kubule marioga ega go so se chinya gitari chika chinene ngai yako genda konyora okogenda ro nonye panado.
I remember COVID COVID target. Man, that was the only neutral. That's the only thing you have to get the neutral in the whole country. Like all of us were equal. Kaya kama ndia target wakaweka holding areas. Wakatenga isolation wards. Chia veke tu ni government institutions like KMTC Kisii na meant ward ya Kisii ende kawekwe ward ya COVID. So na hakuwa ngomo mwaziri. Na hakuwa ngo hivyo. Kwa ngove county kujua tele county secretary kwa ngazwa tore COVID na tu angwana tumina na amakanga chief minister na tu angwana tumina NSP kwa ile watu angwa same kendo ngenga ebo na ene minister were different yo ya COVID ya lingi same nyento kuragira mono sisi tokaragira ngo komono. So anybody went through COVID isolation centers the script was the same kile nyo tekero ya chakirite. One day basikali bakakwata antu bangu nyama rwaze gitali nyama ta bakakwata ni once pm antu eji pigipia antu bakapeka once pm bakaji minister bakasikia madali camp this for 20 was it 21 days antu bakasikia bakatoka na bama once. I think there's a way. I think the government in one or the other yarale temono bakatoka nga Kere street Keraga street in town major towns kabwata kanya gitali koko boni yoko legas mondo ko tebi government facility yako regas. Then why can't you go work there? Because of the extra money you are running, never will cause the issues as government facilities. Services into your government facilities. When there's a time to the patient, it might be a on your tax then. So my thing is what you also have money on jail for the last 6 months. I don't know about negative film to work quickly talk go film material. You can't work with kasi miga work with computer. Kuiromenta. Yes. But until what material you experience what is going on.
Tokumanya mchando kira sichini kitari.
Get that patient you're seriously sick. I think about the patient that mokore MRI. Then a patient yani alkitikal ill. Then you are told now wait for the results in the next 3 days. Second day the patient collapses and dies. Ngoti go brain. Ko what ngaya na boko and that referred to another hospital. And there's something they are doing nowadays. When you are calling for a referral, now go refer. They discharge.
So discharge.
So the bar rokananga abambari but they are neighbor kola services take. It's not painful in the kidney. Time will tell.
Ayunega tiara se igazeti ega ngokwanirire ngana ya Eliud Lagat yoro mukonyi bomo inspector general na boigo ntubate page yake ana nerongo tebere na Raila faces defections over deal with Ruto yo kokwanire ngana ya yo senator boy county Nairobi musikesi puna na page yake tana gatete gote exam pressure cash crisis ignite a fresh wave of unrest in schools. Chibesa chitaiyo na boigo aboroki wabachande getikiagira tuba kunyara gwikaransira matemu abo niko bono yairire abange bachakire koleta eburaburu gose chiburaburu chachakire kone gose chiskuru ime yense ya Kenya. Hase etamwega nigondoche gazeti higa murekerete gotebanga difficult situation in schools ese gotebanga 3000 shillings inachokero moroki wanyorire kurase serikali ase echiwiki chiga 13 chia etamwega iyo bonerete na ekirekoro kianga niko first term banyarite konyora 8000 korenda ase etamwega niko banyore chiribusa toisato kuro ase serikali ene na igonge getiro kiraro ase abalimo bonne bechi skuru nabo igo no nyene kiombe kere kia kosene biombe bitenete amatemu ase chiskuru mancho muligire ayo naro are ase gazeti yiga na egati yande bunabono Red Cross steps up HIV drive amid aid cuts. Mentors are women living with HIV who offer peer support and counseling. Ekiombe kirikia Red Cross bono nigo kiachakire kwenana ogosira agochase bonsi bali etoko bakrokonga people living positively aba bamenyetene oporoire riteri I think ndibonde abagasi babante kurigire taringa oli oporero bwiga bwa HIV ose virusi hivyo ekotebanga experts warn of increased infection rates between 2023 and 2024 igonga ukombukirwa gose kwambukirani oborore bwa HIV niko bono kwanyarite komentekana ase omwaka 2023 wika omwaka 2024 na ikiro bono ndo chikiombe kia Red Cross kiarigiri chinchira anamona ikiro yarorekana munenseri ya Marekani terigosira abaroire babwato muchando iga bone kiombe kia Red Cross kianyare go eso kia kigima na kwene kibuna nonya n'abantu bari bamenyete ne virusi ebiga bachakire kwena na omoya nabo igo kobeka abande beiwe buna tibara tikwa ayo negati iya yare ase gazeti iga bukati maiting house kenengero ronande kwarenge ukwanira
Ndetekera baro Kenya molero.
Yes.
Italinde ndio apart from Kenya molero.
Enyamoreo. Okay, kore dobo bagete timete usene sengenjo ya stigmeri kirogo kina kwara gotebo no buriro bwiga.
The people still have stigma HIV. Asiri baba the stigma.
Neraro. Ne linga rero turi konyaro tuko rero bantu mbali korea.
Poniga.
Nande mbuli goita. Igentu goita abantu ne bintu kuna bono pneumonia, malaria, oburiro bondo bogota bwa saga no muntu.
Onega nya muntu go keep kwende lifestyle ya evia. Nyama yoga evia ando bwate buriro obu. You may think, not even may think, wakaroka na bwate afya kubwa muntu olebi. Maybe batsinze na malio batsinze timaiti another ngasukwizo kono bya kwaragira kwa bya. Sabata uspimia macho tumira nekitayo pimbu yo manya kike montaru wale. Akibata ni bado nyama nero nilinga.
Oburire mbororo nchanjo bagote bayachiri iyo taraika bono bantu mbracha kweu lakini narutinga nonye ne serikali netemete ne irigireti chinjira choko ne kebana abantu mbachikonyora injections yega mapema tatiga utebwene eti abantu bachake ko ba careless ose ko ba reckless ni kiagira chanjo
iyo comes time comes kegendo kego change mata wata bege kwende 6000 ya kondo but after 6 months maybe you want to protect yourself from mwako mo so after 6 months na ndekwa so mwako mo is 12000 so 12000 is
abantu barenga barafo
wole chimbolivere aso mwaka tibali ko reli yogeli ate beyo kwate manu birenga alo wati mboli chinde around 6 kwanza ko liko nyachisale kila mwaka wa ile wati mboli ya imanu ange 6 so liba kuvora malio etaplete ya 6000 kwa chimboli yere kinyalima trades ya joys like this act is so expensive kwa akirenda bono maite no tikire gabo mondaga tega ngona 6000 yeje tenga ke deal na gora kagioga ka kwanza kwetanga 6 months timete kitu tanga malitano cha tangu
na kukwanirere gotana buda aloa jasho kipusa akikatalia kwake ndoche muungano ya maiga musacha agetuma bori kuri ni nabwate enka kusina ndare ase nyomo akareto musubati onde asenka yae kuri no munyaruko gakanga ko akakatalia kwake akanga kurwa ase omochioyo agatebanga ni gata kete kunyomo no mungwano igati mitinga inki omungwano yo igara basa gukora musubati yo yaruboye
ndongiara akora
kiagera no muntu nyomete
ndongiara akora kiro mondo sikizi bagatebanga sorongaja you respect my space we all be there
oikire bo mungwano yo no muntu nyomete kero ke no murugitayo watebiri tari kurwaroro umurugingo cyari
ona soko bekaranze bagambi pomos baywana ona baka baywana nimzana nalo so oyo take ko tama atete ningo tama nakibona oko tokomoita sino como abel tama dinga bono ambo abande tigana yango beke buko yes kengi akongo moira nyomba mwao kwenda como kolio como eto mañana naro wana sa mubange kira bona gundu irenga abantu banegezi ikire muntu banza kugundwa ninje nuga
Hachiro chande.
Muina ibisambe tenaro. Hono bwenyorere gaiga. Tikabona ai karanze askolio tangaine. Uri tangaine ka mwana ya tigarora askolio. Wanze mbako bwana lene. Kata ibitungu ya nsa.
Polygamy is the way. Asama tukawa.
Nada is the way. Patio gotoko tigatoko. Yo tayo atigare kifiake. Patibona zanante kire gabo. Patende we need to respect kiro montetation yae. Nyuma zbati ya mwire. Musaje tumutageti. Kona yo musbati kwa miriri. What is your future? Because nyuma musaje takutageti niyo chikamenya. Maybe there could be another reason why musbati akantu keke akona sister ya menyoro. But nyetina danga program is the way. To Kenya sahib na tevete. Kiro mtu no morugio ai. Tugende komenya. Ini kora nyole ngekirikende kiabeire. Kimete mbuke katebalende nga program ina nawe. The book of songs some book of Christian something. Katebere nde katokiro kabere. Ki usibata ngamboli omino musikane. No tora bon. Komanya nje kutoka next.
Omancho mugire kinagerengere kyaere kabuga kurenda ase ensemeyega nego torache kugenda omotimoko. Omakekera ngo kuboria ogendera gutigara ime ya Getembe TV tupasa kusika aseri tukeriga ya Alhamisi.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere.
Yesterday. Kijana, hujasoma? Na kuozesha binti yangu kwa mahali ya kingamuzi cha Zuku Amazing Digital TV.
Ndiyo, nimekubali.
Mashallah.
unauza kuku tena wa kienyeji?
Mume wangu, ni uhondo na utamu wa Zuku Swahili.
Hawa Zuku Digital Amazing TV, yani Zuku Swahili mambo ni buli buli.
Habari ya mjini ni Zuku. Furahia mautamu utamu. Unasubiri nini? Zaidi ya kujiunga na familia bora ya Zuku TV ndani ya channel namba 100 ya Zuku Swahili. Hapa utafurahia tamthilia, filamu mbalimbali na burudani nyingine kibao ndani ya Zuku TV.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero. Ili wimanyibu na mangana watika. Kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV. Nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya. Chi video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao. Ngakiende yonsi. Inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito. Voigo share na basani amone amate. Ejo baigokie. Vemanye na wesemia. Tobase kweva. Turn on a notification bell yani ekengere. Ejo onyari kubagoko ya nyora. Chingaki abikiri ase omtandao. Gatembe Television Network. Ekenakyo ekeunga. Kia mamogusie.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogoko obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje tia Gatembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Gatembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia. Egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas samonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeunga kia mamogusi.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinia umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obokorere ase chinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpare ao abarikire abaritayire gosibali ensemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibotani na Kenya pamoja sako iyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinse muna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings gonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sacco kuna financial institution yao tobwate branch chito 14 chire within Gusii wanaintu turanogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese walibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na gusi yeito esa magenda Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Edwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda Edwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere
timu nireiga ya mashabiki naraigwa gutebanga kupanda gari ya wazungu sio issue ni ukitaka kushuka.
Gari ya wazungu ni gani?
kwari ni regali na basongo
Oh.
lakini utagite goika
Kiko batengo iko.
Ikinte gitanga ni decrease me and ground me leave me alone
Drop me.
subtract me from your car and agotebanga put me down please
Tonyi.
floor me send me out
Tonyi.
I also withdraw me please
Ubona kolenge dike gusi.
Yes.
Ma dike gusi you cannot have them. Oja translate kujige songo direct. Na lazima utumie kwanza tense ile yeto kutumia. Kama go translate. Toka tanga wono drop me Nikki. So drop mostly go to make as a object. So to go to me drop me. That's more explain a place it might make sense.
Yes.
But then you can get what you overgima, you can say drop it direct. But just someone thought me drop me. That's not me. That's not me explanation get to make sense. So to go translate direct thing. I wanna say enjoy can leave me. Ntige.
Lakini abantu abange bawata drop me.
Na whatever unless umuntu akubulira iswali in that circumstance umuntu akubulira yuko othabanga ngo ikindi the yes drop me when you are giving it to affirmative like yes because you respond to a question na bako tumia that simple wording technical comes from you I
utete ko request umuntu
that's more explain
ntagete wika koregale
yes unless ikigusi watumia lietele mo Nikki
bukane bolinga andene one umuko bolinga erieta buna bono kweminja
kumya timetike songo nkira
aseke songo kweminja na kyo
take boycott and there is the closest word that mean is boycott or boycott na minje tindageti boycott again that's the closest you can get to but the tinchemboli mwalimu nyamba nengi ya kitora libeke and then being mwalimu muntu culture na mwalimu songali na drama yes
Asemo yende at least haina maana sawa na neno angalau.
At least na angalau. Angalau. At least wala nitumia rase
timeti bono nonyeke gusi etogote banagochi gose korende.
As a song you can use at least as when you are referring to numbers also when you are comparing to. But angalau na bugo tumira maana as circumstances like ntige angalau ni end. So I don't think they are the same words.
Ukini kiaborokiwa bagoto matumizi angalau kwa maana ya at least na katika miktadha fulani ufanya ujumbe lengo kukosa mantiki.
Kiswahili kacho kiangi think aitanga sa university kusoma media. But wetani hao yakira baiko.
Lakini rende ase buna ntubate colleges ntubate awa higher learning institutions mete chinyingo nyatori kokora gose no bwalimu gose tutebe ekoze correlate na Kiswahili tokonya na kozi ende Kiswahili because mundu bunanja stay university so metega Kiswahili no
you did it ngwa so met
Kiswahili
yes
campus
how do you go through media kwa some Kiswahili campus
mtunzo so met
take tenjini university kwende kozi wa baleta ni university
kozi ya rengo to arenge kuriga ndege Kiswahili lakini nende tali mwangana no toraiga
Swahili is good emchanda bonjenja na Kiswahili yake inja ke ko evolve wangu there's some words now from the primary or high school one like maleta ya change pi kuna sasa ndo njiki kwetu Kiswahili sanifu sasa hizi same scene and pone kama ndanga ina school abana zero in terms of Kiswahili unless manganze word just kuangora lakini sasa yongola mate immediately
Kiswahili uchi yako
anaweza kwa set kuchioka
especially kero mokumurikira mangana technology mangana ya technology na bako chiareta obo tutukano korende asense meyo naro
ntsakambete skuru
yes
ngorete Kiswahili mufti timatinga kina kianguru
ono si yari komchanga nyekundo bate mufti ndo bate sanifu
ono kwalori pana timatinga bwate bona timatinga bwate bona so kia change ritsi kuna ndani masoma Kiswahili balia batata bete basoma Kiswahili jeno Kiswahili Paka Kenyans kidogo tukachira Kiswahili mufti. Ndumu kaswa mchanganyiko.
Ndo bate mufti na ndo bate sanifu juu vitabu bya ringe gocha bireka.
Pone dimende ngivaka soma.
Tenge bunega Swahili. Tenge bunega songo mimi.
Tutaka toita round school. Tutokonya abantu understand Kiswahili. Kila kiabele kianze kodi au diminishing. Kianze kwa.
Lera mangana mange bagoto okonyora nga
mixed languages.
Yes.
But professor keje na ntebe. Professor keje faisana lakini fasana mwalimu wale Kiswahili. Andenge Kiswahili ndio uko na Kiswahili yake. It depends on circumstances and which uko na Kiswahili yake. Abakanyora kele chiro uko na Kiswahili. Mbona muktada? Hapo seti yule.
Ndo kwenye muktada.
Seti yule Kiswahili iko fit yaro. Kiswahili class is different from Kiswahili mtu asome.
Sajili. Tusome tendo
sajili. Yote ni Kiswahili. So kama ndo kwa Kiswahili. Only that is not right when communicating. Setup all. Onyolenga tokoleta mondo we stage ri nambo maybe school. Omantia cha kwa na forum ya wanafunzi. Kiswahili kilinge kuiwana. Yes. Mimi totonto amaleta bagani ga Kiswahili. Kaliumo sana. So setup ya eneye kuri umuntu gaiga bona abandi bangukwana Kiswahili yoko soma. Ndio tokukwana ekigo enletania abantu.
Yes, kyo pase ujumbe.
Iyo marudi manyete so you find a proper language, proper paragraphing ra somi umuntu yu. Alagento ki understand. But it's good that kwa notiringa mtakire gutwara program Kiswahili ga abantu barasomera.
Okay,
ndio ndo na career. Producer itasoma Kiswahili. Kalenga canvas.
Na kieko gera kirao kwa na karakando kwirana kwa ni kariri nsemo kie ya kora sense ya Kenya.
Kibono shengi ya masaliti. Shengi ya masaliti. Lakini ana tinga professor ketina ndenga shengi bono iga. Na wakanda school soma shengi.
Actually umete ko enyorugo kwa na Kiswahili gosene chila inibere chire complete. Utarabrukani. Oraito usene ke usi gosene ke songo brukani chilu achinde. Na beko begetiro sana.
Sana.
Tatikari ndio cha saboro kwa na beko ba raisi lakini kira abana bakuru school tema kumanya ngomano weke Kiswahili agotumikangere ki kyo kubrukani gosene gyashanga gosene kiga para. Anyway na muna litukore gora buga na tegerete mu waziri wa amangana y'ibintu bitonchukanene environment CS umetokire sana koro umuskede barasa tore komoradiria lengase obocheno.
Lemba kwa ngengana minister for environment. Nataka kubonga kiako kwa ninyo. Anyway.
Yes. Akataro kwanera I think kraringa buso Senate ananya to kwanera amangana kuna West management. Kabanya ko bolinga kero kende abantu mete amatukabonga abantu babiri bagutwara mechando ya marwire annemuna kubatikana no buchabu muntu bwate umuchando bunabono yobo bacteria so mubire nebintu binde binge. Ekentanya rito kwa nanga serikali inkubatira nere ne county kwa ene kibuna ubikuru ali sekurusigo transportation nganere yabekiru ko benjano timetinga nchera kiora nyari kwa ene kibuna obuchabu sibo sangire kuru nyomba nonyega ali kumuke obuchabu boli Mwabekiru buya wekamboji gokoleto muchanda sabantu bande.
Ngende tangani. How do you change the mindset ya Kenya that ubuchafu wa nyumba that wants to ubuchafu. That once kwa busiri ubuchafu kwa kusa nyumba ubuchafu wising ubuchafu koruka kwa weke dustbin. How do you change obongo bumo wa Kenya nga that wants to ubuchafu? Before telling us that Kenya nga baron ko find the policy or say by law yote banga aso jiko dambo buchafu obo pakabe gazetted before you reach there kurata yumo Kenya nga buchafu boko rusi nyumba was separate. I'm told they say almost into 5 portions buchafu bwo jiko very disposable bwo jiko kana ko recycle obo maybe ndagre chiombe bobo bonde chemical those things in Utarati yumo Kenya rusi buchafu bwo tugute karama tengo buchafu kwa beka kaiga utakiriwe ku separate. And look at the issue here, like in Kisii town, like in any major town in the country. You want the chi restaurants, chi entertainment joints. Kwa nyora bako rusibo chafu rubo kwa busa, chichwa chia mache, chichwa chia maru, uchafu once wabe kwa mu. Wanda ba dispose. Right. Now proper public sanitation ndabenda kwa receipt ndabenda kwa tabenga ki kama dispose uchafu huko make sure you have nabona compound lezi mengete to what chi container ngenye sina to kobeka makokali yokoruga sina kobeka takataka nabona polythene papers una carrier bags it's plastic there's where you dispose to bachitia macha separately the no uchafu bonde bwendagira nabona to viasi sina kobeka kera bintu ne biko to viasi is a neighbor cement goja boy after like 2-3 days goja boy we recha metia chitu chimu na goja boy ochiko recycle chitia match chia maru mundana goja boy sikuzi na locha kwa na club tinyinga tini emergency nyinga konya wako tore chupa ye whisk ne yaro so ne glass correct so instead of disposing him in the beyond speed there's a way before you tell the Kenyan thing one wakobwato kutoka chafu kwa penalized. Kala batenga what is the importance of uchafu kwa ruhusu nyumba so that we stop dumping uchafu na bana town niga kwa turumbo ke street ya Agakan kwa turumbo kwa Mate kwenda kwa Falcon Mate by saa moja nusu mara by saa 2 anda bata tinga ba dump inside the old Kisumu stage anda ba go dump within 1 hour between 7 and 8 kunya kuiche so ngogocho o separate man uchafu ruhusi kando and you see now the garbage correct ya dambi umate guys not the same garbage kuimo nyanjwa because nyanjwa ndobwa tia maru nyingi ndobwa to chafu endagira mundu changa chingo tu all those things in even though biko guys so last month kwanza management yoko sort to chafu otara bika this by rosing abona kwa bwatru wakora kinini
lakini omukenye lazima aganye acha kotebune serikali amangana munaega gosono gotumya kirokene na buranyo lenga asumuntu amenyete tebekire buna ayobekere
ndo makenya o discussing same Kenyan osambe para same
yes
kumuketa yosambe para
nsira kiro che
so ndio ndo osambe para ngeta ndamiri buchafu
nsira kiro cho muntu no nyakirale nyumba mwaye aranyare kuba responsible asemangana buna ega yo kubagane kyagera mbaroro buna bali konyara baire disakara riri mwamu akupika kirege ndaro
you see lazima chakire
ko burukani masakara
ngata kwanza kura change mindset yo Kenya utaranza kwa kati sheria nga uchafu kubwa toka ruga kura change mindset yo Kenya like now you can cross down like now town hata nganyanjo we split nyanjo into 3 and baba train you look for landlords kwanza na landladies wabe kam watevinga chakrelero kura chipini yangirenga inya mochibeka segita kinu kwa you know the danger comes in when the government employs and pakuponki uchafu montoli komo irio ne bone oiru atenda yusangerio buchafu okora 1-2-3 months ta wakan what happens once go through buchafu ri nyumba yi compound ime ore like ipugetiga baranga ndio nsingi ndio kanzi kiki yakula mande ndengi atsake sometimes back you know you wonder like why like now the county governments kogora like skip over okole tip kwende the engine okole yemu but not skip it yamaiga or no ninye atenga nyanjo we are having one at upper nyanjo one at lower nyanjo then the other one is serve this side of nyanjo kwa town kwa boka mambiro ko nyimbo cheka kasi yao usika kwa boka na ntoko cheka usika kwa boka you can like you have the maybe the 3-4 carrier bags otima dengeye tezichuba tande kerit ko baidura be ko chafu asari tari kerit ko ranyo maru nyomba buli chwa yamaru
no nyama chewe chichuba chama
actually out of chichuba chama rules 10 products chama market only 1 or 2 they were recycled maybe 1 or 2 like now chichuba ama bana cause like America the common drinks like Heineken na wote ngagana nechuba to kwenda kwa America once that has come chire like those are the few bottles la nyole chikuwa recycled well yeah they have to there are so many packages but there's one or I think amantega ri nyange no ngolseko chichuba chire it's all about what is the proper way of communication can you sustain a program yukusangeli go chafu into kanya go sangeli then the program is dead it's all about sustainability program telling no more Kenya gwa them chando by the how Kenya by kabaras if you cannot sustain a program by kabaras when you tell them we want to tax you akata ya karate taxi I want the queen system across about pals but the country government should be keen on how to manage waste Kisine was among the I think they could produce one of the largest in terms of quantities of waste look at the kind of businesses we have.
Yes.
Now, look at now, if you are done away with the market, the CBD, got the fresh vegetables market from CBD. When you're outside CBD, but look at the West. Ikoru as a market ya Marigiti. Kromong no like 300 of them. I'm not even 300, assuming they are 50. How na 50 kama unada chinyeni. Oru usevite. Niba ko damp. Ngari. Na bintu bimbi ko decompose wango by the three chinyeni ko decompose wango. Kana bya chenje kala bya bimwam. Bia 10 ko bamanyo.
Biko takabya omuru gose mugondo.
Mugondo.
Yes.
Sasa bya manyo wango. Bya tubu bya decompose wango. Lakini ngobite ko pendinga bya decompose wango. Have you ever wondered like chote chike kisi town ni gacho physical chips ngicho kila masabo ya current masabo ya yes
nanya ko yaro
na matoke there are someone who comes osangiriri ire chombe chai correct so monda ma tenge yini ndagre chombe lakini bantu bana ma tenge chwe kwanyo ramaru kandu abeka lo siglas kyo kikunywa maji za wana kunywa marwanda correct bantu bange mbamaite bana chwe chikunywa maji by the if you count the number of restaurants drinking Chirekisi, there are more than 50. No, 50, assuming each has a capacity 100 people. That's 500. That's close to 5,000 people. So in a day you're having like close to 5,000 bottles of water within CBD. But the 5,000 bottles, so where do they go?
Yes. Enkora tori 9 day abasai konyoranga bagontu kana nechukuni bakoli gichichube chia mate timetimbia sara kichigo chichia kora chiracho okonyoro monta wate guni akoli gichuba ya mate chiga che plastic chioka.
Isn't the danger?
Yes.
There could be someone somewhere far away from Gusii region, maybe Nairobi, might the importance of chibeti. What's angry or cheer. So now the importance of chibeti, a unit of and I don't think Koros industry is to be taken and there's only an island say obviously. After an island say Monana was angry to Bansal, you go to Chioni because a target annually. The customers who come to buy kerosene. Kurase pambo yam after inside.
Biamana sana mwancho murigere genda kobera ime iyo murovere chingaki chia obono mambi nekironda sogere babere patato na togenderete gusanga amange aiga asi studio kuna Victor Mondo miende rawata chinse mukrocha korochinse mocha Kilimani akotoba tuko pamoja hadi itamati na boigo Christopher Tandi ne rawata bachinse mocha Burangi Kenyambi noare ime iyo murovere Baraiga bange sana 04 baga out watching live kurachinse mochanya isa manga imeakitutu masaba Alex Mauti niragotaba kutoka Maro Kisii County nategea pamoja na babangu mzazi David Mauti Nyakweva Bonventure Mobisa nikagota kurachinse mochakirwa Omosocho Eli Mwache alivyo agoteba niko are present Victor Onyoki agota guka wa ushago 25 agota streaming live kurachinse mochanya ngusu Bukinami Village Erigena na boigo Dominic Oirere abatabwakire buya kurwa bomukora omonene otobokire buya bana basi yakongera temo korudoa Qatar na reme yumurobere Teresa Kimto abatabwakire Matilda kurwa Karatina pamoja hadi tamati Onsarigo Edwin Machabe nereni kataboka kurwa Eskimu Chepngombe Onsarigo Vegi Muturumesi Nonde abo negati abali wakendete usanga ujumbe chabo gochaiga se studio abuga umete ichombe aba kusi ichombe nchiraroro lakini ama bere ngotara one weta onega sana lakini kiro weta no nyina se kinyoro tari bantu bonse babwate ichombe tumetinga ama bera kiro kende abantu bakonyo nkomanya bari asakoro.
Actually, na watu chombe nyingi sana Gusii. Mante tarazo montada na watu ngombe because montada watu ngakakote mochire konyita usonyarwa ke mabera ke. So kwa ndemichi people moved away from the open grazing fields Chichombe to zero grazing by the. So kama montada watu mabo ke kana nyawatu chombange 10. Choma nani sana enough ko kama mabera. Nimba the friends yange bane batano. Whether Chiombe and 10 years image actually within not far away from CBD. There's an advocate over Chambangi 15 Chamavere. There's a gentleman over Chamavere Ogembo Amange Sana. Or Satlak Chamavere, the whole of Nyanjwe State, CBD. Mavere Amange, only about to pick up Wangisat Konya Mavere. It's a good business, only that sometimes back in Miaka, the cost of feeds can increase. And once I cover according to cake, Konya Mavere. You want to discuss this story, the diminishing land sizes in the Gusii region, around by the types of farming to agriculture kurukari. So we have to go to Chiombe, up to Osmeka, since you have a convoy. Me thinking it's a quick way of making income. So I moved from open grazing fields to Chiombe to zero grazing. Maybe 20 by 15, or even 10 by 15 by 10, to get Chiombe to come 10 liters a day. So if you calculate 10 times 60 per liter, around 400 times 10, 400 times, maybe how many liters? 10 times maybe liter more at 60 bob. Now what is 600 shillings per day. Rice Chiombe. Unlike go veka Chiombe nyingi geti, ngombe kama retire.
Ntupoze Chiombe chino kwa nyoro montago kama kusene kombe kemo kuse vivere. Timeti tin komanya the essence yoko gendera ko muntu namukonya rakolisia ngombe gwate ngombe chingombe rioka. Lakini bone faida teyo. Muntu akorera pi enchara ero paka asomochi. Chiombe chirangisa to lakini ngombe teyo kamo.
Nde abandu nabo muntu nago tora pride ya ngombe ngani mbwate ngombe. Kale. Okamwe retire mo oba satisfied. Particularly the cost of you commenting ngombe ni nseri. Seko ko yasburuga. There is paraconda coin, there is a small field in we are. Ngombe will come 10 liters of milk a day. In ngombe take feed at a cost of maybe between 200 to 500 shillings a day. Ndile chinsiaga, anya mfanyakazi kumulendo mwaka ni maybe 100 shillings a day. Ngombe yokaiga, you need an average of 500 shillings a day. So for such a kind of a cow, lazima uligie yende kwenye supplement. Otabengeye ekolenda cost ye. That's how you do in business. Toko ragalia mo beke para tabenga bono you want to profit. As money legali yende or say you open an alternative business. In case there's an issue ne ya save the situation. So mondo bataka ngombe kalia kini agasinini na konya tabu attend cost in terms of maintenance. Ene lyogo lie go sibya ngombe.
Ego sibigori mo after.
Ego si once. Nanganya tabu ati vinera. Lakini Chiombe itinde. Onye tige tueru. Pakrobu nyakitari nyiru walingo kendo bwanyaki. Lazima ni order mattress yo kurara. Ebe ke chafu tukobo mamambe betoru te kurara. So because the production is higher compared na cost. Nalengo mondo, let me use an example. Mondo wate Mercedes yoko gendi. Mondo wate gari 110. Wate 110 abogandra kwanji yuko na yetani service di chi gari. Lakini wale Mercedes yale kila kwa ile warning lazima. That's business. Na vile iko toko change. Unaambia kwa yakoru aitoku. Have you ever driven to Kisi from between Kisi na Bomet?
Yes.
Maambi. Kabo to Kisi. Also by 5.
Abantu babigita mo very para.
Para kwenda. You drive to the sunset, sunlight iko chaka sunlight zitiro. Drive kwa kende. Chini sunlight iko cha Maambi from South Tik Bomet. You'll find people tema very good. So mabera mange grow from those sides. But we muntago na very scheme. Mabera Bomet. You have seen some shops in town niga. Mundaita Bomet milk, so Tik milk. Yes, mundanya mabera mave, na bamave. So ngasinya go from a shop ya Bomet shop. Are satisfied. So ngasinya from Saltic shop, are satisfied. Na very nice scheme. Never mundaga da margin banu munda satisfied. Ono na boga mabole. Tuko mia vera kuragana na aba.
Ogo tukachingo kwa. Chinga kichindo ko nonye na magena to kurigere nonye prices cha magena echire nchibweka ini. Ase abukonya roko na libaike tuke mo 20 elimo.
Abantu bakona yemi.
Yes. Abantu bakona yo sene chipesa irenga na magena yekero ko yarikere tabweka ini. Umete gusi yekero to amatukwari twarenge nka gusakero rase kenyoro. Chingo kontiro ro konyora mubwate chokubeka amagera usena yokori ndagira yani kusena yokori nabo iko nande mwachi umamiri charo si bichuchu lakini ichiga improved muna chiaje tetimeti bado usichingo kwa chirichi kienyeji na maene kienyeji chirerel
kienyeji na wanyako wenda reserve mungu na karose chindagira akurgira bukuma bwanga karose nechi nyini aite kuri mugondo teni oso koje posongo mambia yo rage town hotel
indagire kosi
matrinda kunde karose town no bekasi nyanji nyinge bando ndikogenda gutwara amazi no libeka likoli liye amachaere urusi o matama jo lisi matama ubeke sinyanya bado ndiko kwa bado amazi na liliko mwa mpaka mambi ndisili view za water and like it's na ujo bruce mugondo ngajo kwenda kwa paka likoli gisa but now there's nyali na uli nyingi ndikoli gisa iko continuous amazi bado ndiza maji zira kwa na ndia za kubeka amazi alafu vitebia hivi kwa bruce ya maji rioka same case na magena Nziko kula magena on the market. Ukula magena ane. Ukarangeli ubeke sani kan. Karangeli same quantity ketungu nusu nyanya ya. Ukarangi kwa ubeke sani. The next.
Talenga ini.
You will find having different 4 meals on the table.
Ndio onye kala tari kubwekana.
Madanga Kenya is a country of fakes. Like people don't fake. Pako munda tanga magena ngorosi wali ngakumi ngorosi ligi nambaka dia muntu atanando karanga. I know it's true, but you know, I think chinsu chi plastic injiro. Kinde nganda kusum, kuchukua friend ya nomagere, akaanza kuguide how to pick ensu ingiego chukuli nyumba kuri market. Ngakundana bana lengo moliri for a long time. Pale nakalile ensu. Madanga ensu ensaja nero ensu nkungu nero. Ensu nire yereke konyo rengia. Nire ya machwire. So kono indutaki the cheese stream, chitawate ngemuga. Ebi Tige bioto, chingo. Tibindo binde mtu atoka bwate ko roji taiko tekiri. Skiri. Tokinde taka toma tienso ningenere. You will still be doing any fish. Kwa nyumba kwa la sienzo. Kwa nyevekere sugurini kwa bikira maftani ni wanzo karanga ya butokana. Completely ya bad piece.
Tukumanya ne yake.
Tukumanya kionere ni nakia. Kuma yo muntu na kwa tenso iko riya kwa karanga. Ego nchoka yo Kenya ne full. Kigo cheme serengi. Kile na rosti ngama tronge sani. Ono Kenya na batoli gende. Ngalinga bali babekire ne leadership so bekire ba responsible for these issues, bali responsible.
I think kero na ringa Nairobi ne getenga tika koli nto isengencho kwale uchitema kwa kumingankieke. Tibweka ini chinsu chi cross wa iga agose na letalinga gusi chinze mu chonse bosongo uranyole chinsu chiri chikorwase chinsu chiri chikorwase chindoje chindene nechiye ndani tumitinga abuga kero kende abantu abaika bwate ndani barabu baise kogendera gotuga chinsu era bebube ikiagera kero gochiri chinsu chiri amana ngonyorore tofauti ne raro enso erete roje ekinerete ngobere tofauti ne enso ererire.
Of course it's true. Mantenzo roje enso no like factory chinsu chiro they feed naturally from the lake. Sina wala tenso kwa bekire fish bonding.
Kwa yurugera.
Kwa nyendagera eli occult from the market. You cannot tell sendagera nembe oso mondo ga kwa tendagera fake oso original. Nasa ngala rata ni kama mondo ga sendagera ye chinsu ne chinkoko. Ande kwa te demand sana. Demand ile sana. In one or the other and the bakala sendagera from the factories they will be complaining or you about biashara. But mole miolio lenga na maite maybe endagera yo yakaro it's either cheaper ose enjira ko mix nere ndonge because enjira ko nyoni ngura etane duka ya enjira ko nyoni na the customers a good number of customers. So what you feed chinsu chire fish pond will determine the product of yenso which konyora kero ya kinit kwa nyamo ntaka na nchi chemical obeke kwirende ama achali ale mali bana machafu because la nyore eso sia maja fish pond, you know, running water across the road go clean the river can clean itself. Anole mbule ya ture kama maji tumkojala machafu after like 2 hours krembra ya siri maji ya rapa the river cleans itself. Lakini maji fish pond njatia we clean correct because of as a human being to be perfect you cannot keep the standards required. Kana maybe maji ya etani ya matuko ati gotoke fish pond now the fish pond chitia masakara is the time you are supposed to reach the water kwa maintain usikwanya kwa kiwango kia mali yote takayekoweka mali kietani. So what you are producing as fish for the market is a poisonous fiki kuchukulia kuna mwanya bantu kama nyanga bana watu kwa tatu linsu kwa gorira bana bako
ngori ndenso sana I think egento
tinyeri kabere wiki
ndogitari onjana mo
tali ngochi
engoko
tebange wanji tengo ngoko kamuntu naljite
tinganje tingoko
apart from abanya nabi no batali chingoko kero ko babana banje bare munya nabi bwa
kwanya koro munya nabi
tikora si movie
korinde tari magana onye ukobwate kose onye ukobwate kende kwa komentera nkagirete nga asivire viga nigera chwa bia tokore lakini abwa soboreri wasobo tugibu no bwechinsu chingo kone chombe bugati meetinga entiro bwente aye advice ya ucha se omoremi ori ori getigo tuga kero kende nase oko oyerera gose no gutumika ebintu biri bya mugonde ndagire ere natural kuru mugondo gose no kugenda chituka onye ne ngombe kwaenda kwa yirigiri ndagire kurwetuka kwa yugurera onye ne chimboli gwachiragiri ebintu bikurwase chituka gose kwagenda mugondo kwa yerise riaro
I grew up as a family we grew up as a setup ya bantu bakolima different types of called you talk and you mixed farming chingo konjiro chiombe njiro bomboli mugondo nero nini as a setup ya mixed farming and for a long time chembe chia karisti open fields but when senja mali makeire lazima ochiri very limited ochase bitibire bike ochigore ndagra yeduka but chitimba timetsana gore ndagra yeduka metsana bwa ndagra yeduka neringa some craft business people they are doing fake fields no nemali weko sibichombe by the ko sebinera you would get amali ogande are fake kwali so circumstances ya foziringa chindaga chiko ku chiduka chombe chego kale to akorere chenge umadenge chenge akonya chombo on Saturday morning rioka kama kore nani ngo mwezi die kama ko ande kanisa mwenye bekera chenge limwa koro kama yanya koli yakora koli mwenye bekera ndaga next mwaga ande kanisa so once you come from church mwenye amache yani mwache techa church in the afternoon the culture was like in the afternoon aba mwire chombe mwachi kolisi kwali nawe lezote byo mwana mu muranga kandi ura chombo lisi nyachi kolisi kasoka wita kiabo iga no banda gaso so you get nga mwanje kolisi chombe chipara weta now chipale weta chabe kuchiram nowadays chiram chabe kurude the ages and like rikalere era fraud ya lenge nyerere side moino kana kolisi chombe ono chiram chabe chia the tamakuru fit into chi asemeti yabandikire tokolisi ubande again kana kwangolise ngombe para kwenda paka kwetu mujibu umuntu kolise ngombe kwenda foni gote mekolise ngombe para
abantu basiegete evita
agatelange kwalise ngombe ya ngusiro bago yeyiri ebitina byachaka so kirendo nakenda teko change still farming ngo change but farming has completely evolved in the past few years. Yeah, changed completely. That's why there are so many organizations to modern farming. Modern farming never had madhara enero in a proper way. So, is the best way you are want to. And when you are antabange, bangani kubibinyoro, Bachel town. So they depend some village packet. Karika talk nito mantenga mabere cases yoka. But when you go and say shelf is per market, you'll find like 30 brands of companies who produce them there. Yes. But kama kwa woli, hivi nyoreme na whatever ngombe njio. So ngaya vera yako. Cases yoka nyene asengorbone cases go struggle, which you pick up maambia mabere. Ana company ndikura mabere. Kwa hiyo company nyingi chichire market chikonya mabere. That what does it tell you? Most of the milk products we are consuming in the market nowadays are chemicals. Yes, are products from chemicals.
Biamono sana erikabuga angagiritinga sevire vegan hoto gukorera omurobega abo mwancho murigereria aseritugeriga reala mesi no turachikuvekera egetone gabo erinde onyare kogendera gose ogendera kubwatia mirobere yende ere bosio nekirongo kubore atobasa gusika sevire vega mwancho murigereria gendera gutigara ime ya Getembe TV nekirora chikonyorera GTN box gose a movie eri obwanjete asegeka ekere bosio kurasa studio ya kabere etimu Kongo kigema hubaneke kwanyore chivicha nerio kya sinchira enkera kuruko Matilda Ovaiwa wikarit koriankyo tigara ime ya Getembe TV.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.